it's Yui. Welcome to my channel, Chibi Chibi Chef Inspired Japanese Cooking. Today, I'd like to show you how to cook Negitoro, which is one of the popular sushi toppings in Japan. It's basically chopped tuna and green onion, and we can have it as a rice bowl or sushi with some seaweed. Sushi chefs usually use the leftover parts of fatty tuna, but at home, we can just use inexpensive fresh tuna. By chopping the tuna, the texture will be soft like expensive fatty tuna. It's easy to cook, so please try it. Today, I'll show you the tuna rice bowl in multiple ways, with sushi rice and regular white rice, and tips to make tasty soy sauce that will take the rice bowl to the next level. Also, I'll show you how to make a beautiful hand sushi roll later in the video. You can use salmon for these recipes if you prefer salmon. First, before cutting the tuna, let's cut some green onion. You can use the green onion as much as you want. I just used this thin green onion for 4 ounces of tuna this time. Next, time to chop the fresh tuna. Please find the tuna that is good to eat raw. I went to my local Asian grocery store to find this tuna. Slice the tuna first and cut into strips before chopping. Then finally mince the tuna as much as you can. You can add some wasabi if you like. Try to break the white fiber in the tuna to have a nice smooth texture. This is so much easier than slicing tuna beautifully for sushi, and it's good for relieving your stress too. I like the soft paste-like texture for this recipe, but you can stop chopping when you get the texture you want. Then prepare the sushi rice. I left a recipe for sushi rice in the description box, so you can either mix sugar, salt, and vinegar all together, or purchase this already made sushi vinegar on Amazon or Asian grocery stores. Sometimes I just use microwavable white rice too when I don't have the time to cook rice. Let's build a rice bowl. Place the sushi rice in a bowl and add the chopped tuna and a green onion. Then top with soy sauce. This is the basic way to eat this kind of tuna bowl, which is called Negitoro don in Japanese, and you can enjoy the simple tuna taste and soft texture. Next version is gonna have a little twist with some toppings, and it will be tasty even though you don't use sushi rice. Spread some sesame seeds on the rice, then add the tuna. Then sprinkle the green onion and the seaweed if you have them. If you want, you can add a half-cooked egg on the top to make it more gorgeous. Cooking the half-cooked egg is very easy and it tastes and looks amazing. To bring out more flavors, I like adding a little bit of sesame oil into the soy sauce. Also, please add a pinch of salt if you don't use sushi rice and use regular white rice. This is something that we don't really do at the sushi restaurants, but it's so tasty, so it's worth a try. Next, I'd like to introduce the homemade soy sauce that will make the tuna rice bowl so much better even though you use the regular white rice, not the sushi rice. It's called dashi soy sauce, and I made a video for that before, so you can check it for more details. But basically it's mixed of soy sauce, mirin, and dashi powder, and very easy to make. So please check out the recipe and the past video in the description box. This dashi soy sauce has mild but complicated soy sauce taste, and this is my most favorite way to eat the Negitoro don. Finally, let's try some hand sushi rolls. The style of the sushi roll I'm going to show you today is called Temakizushi in Japanese. Prepare sushi rice, sushi seaweed, the chopped tuna, and the sesame leaves or other greens like avocado or sprouts. This time I mixed the tuna and the green onion together when I was chopping them. First, cut the big seed of seaweed, which we call it as nori in Japanese, into 2 pieces. Next, add a big spoon of sushi rice on the left side of the seaweed, like making a triangle that is pointing to the left side. Then make it flat evenly. Keep the bottom left and the top left corners empty to make a beautiful Temakizushi. Place one sesame leaf or your favorite greens diagonally. Then place the tuna topping and roll it gently from the bottom left side of the seaweed. It's like pulling up the bottom left corner of the seaweed towards the top right of the flat rice. When I was in Japan, I used to have Temakizushi as a special family dinner at home. My mom prepared several kinds of sushi toppings and I enjoyed making my own hand sushi rolls by myself. It's really fun and easy to make than the sushi rolls that you usually see at shops or restaurants. I'll be making more sushi recipes that you can do at home, so please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you again. またね